Today we are going to show you a grand tour around Ol Bobongi House.
Okay, lead the way. That was the gate. And here's the house. So this is the porte-cochere, I guess. And we have a Swahili door. Very interesting door. See the nice carved wooden door. And this is the grand hall.
Inside of the house.
So when you first arrive, this is the grand hall.
We sanitize here.
Your sanitizing station, yeah.
The first room we're going to start with is this room.
Okay, we're going to start on this side of the house first. You can see it's very well appointed.
This is the zebra bed.
It has 2 beds and a nice luxury couch.
There's
a sitting area where you can do stuff.
And the reason why it's called the zebra room is because everything's black and white. Like
Well, I know, I can't imagine why they would call it the zebra room, huh?
There's some
Nice
there's a
little
lime
ceilings.
stock with many zebra rooms and
Yeah,
zebra
so
bread.
there's was that a queen bed or a king?
Both.
There's 2 of those, and then they have one of these day beds.
And the carpet.
Yeah. Nice big room.
Beautiful room.
So it'll be fun.
First we'll show you the gym.
Alright, this is
In
the game room.
there's a gym. We have this funny thing, this funny thing, that funny thing, and that funny thing.
And then
A few weights here, okay.
next we'll show you the pool table.
Alright, there's the pool table.
The pool table.
And this has roof.
A little bar area.
And some pool nets over here.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a fireplace.
For this part, we have darts.
Okay, there's a dartboard.
We can throw the darts and try and hit the aim of the angle.
Okay.
Next, we have a ping pong table.
Ping pong, yep, we saw that.
And now, the last but not least, we have a
What's that? Foosball, right?
foosball.
You
We
forgot.
also have, I think this is the later will be shot. Survivors
So
will be
here,
shot again.
there's an upstairs little nook with another bedroom.
We're tired of hiding bodies.
It's so scary. Not scary to me for now.
So we have a mirror wardrobe.
Okay.
Ta-da. Hoodie.
So this is a little
Hangout room.
lounge
Bed.
with a bed. So this is another room for someone to sleep in. And then it overlooks the game room. Nice, huh? Okay. Okay, where are we headed to next?
Next, we're going to the other side of the oh, hey, Muffin!
Now we're headed to the main section of the house. This is Muffin. Muffin is our host's pet dog. She loves children. Look at that. That's a nice dog. Okay, let's continue the tour.
Okay, I'm up.
Next we'll show you another.
So now we're entering the main house.
This is the main toilet
This is
room.
the bathroom.
There's a reception here with a guest book.
Kind
Antiques. Very nice
Then we'll show you the
decor.
kitchen.
This is the reception washroom.
Then this is the housekeeping.
That's housekeeping closet. That's the,
Part chemical.
and this is the
Hallway, but first we'll start with the kitchen.
hallway to the bedrooms.
But first we'll start with the kitchen.
Okay, take us to the kitchen, guys.
This is kitchen.
Okay. This is the kitchen. And this is our chef, Joseph. Bye. Very nice kitchen, kind of a country colonial feel. So now we're entering. This is the living room.
Sorry.
Has French doors that open up to the veranda. There's a fireplace. High beam ceilings. This is a nice fireplace. It's a zebra skin. Yeah.
Next, we'll go to the dining room.
Yeah, formal dining room, that's right.
There's a passageway for it.
There's a passageway to the kitchen, yeah, okay. Good high beam ceilings, yeah. It's a nice table.
A nice bell.
Next, our most favorite room, the most surprising room, is called
The cinema.
The cinema room?
yeah.
The cinema room.
This is the movie room.
Stephen Burton's cinema. Wow! There's a bunch of DVDs.
A fake
There's a popcorn machine.
that's not supposed to be used.
It shows the.
This
Wow, look
is
at
a
this
big
big-
couch.
It's like a huge couch slash bed almost, huh?
Yeah.
And then,
And here is the biggest TV in the whole house.
and because there's very few windows in here, you can get very dark so that you can watch movies, huh? And, kind of Hollywood actors on the wall here. Very interesting. Nice. This is your favorite room?
Yeah, because it's big. It's like a J-shaped bed
Uh-huh.
and also couch. It's wider than our couches
Yeah.
and it's longer.
Nice. Okay. What's next?
The kids' room.
The kids' room.
Okay, this is the central hall that goes to the bedrooms. All kinds of nice safari photos on the wall.
No.
Now, what bedroom is this?
This is the kids' room.
This is the kids' room.
It has 2 bunk beds.
With an underbed.
So it has
Nice.
bunk beds, double
And
bunk
under
beds.
the bunk beds is the other bed.
Oh yeah, trundle too. Okay, place for the kids to keep
Under
their
the
stuff.
bunk bed.
Overlooks a little courtyard here, right there. There's a
Bathroom.
wardrobe to keep their clothes in.
And we head to the bathroom. Okay.
Nice. You guys have a nice bathroom. Look at that.
Then on the other side you can see the shower.
Yeah. Some interesting photos. Let's see your shower. Show us your shower.
This is the shower. Next, we're going to see the study bedroom.
The study bedroom. Okay.
And the study bedroom, there's a bed.
Okay.
Here's my room.
Here's a
Back.
big wardrobe. Hang on. You guys are going too fast.
Next,
It
here's
has
the
all kinds of this, interesting knickknacks. So this is the study bedroom. It has an old typewriter, an old phonograph, an old fan. This one looks out over the Aberdare mountain range to the west. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Nice bathroom.
There's a toilet paper holder when it runs out.
Yeah.
Cranberry and cinnamon. Ooh, I want to smell those.
That's nice.
Mmm.
Okay.
Cranberry and cinnamon.
Good water pressure, huh?
Next is the master bedroom.
The master bedroom.
There's an elephant on
Nice.
Anyone home? We have a really nice elephant door knocker.
Mhm.
A nice bounce
So,
bed.
again, keeping with this sort of
And then we
colonial
have
country
also
safari theme.
We
There's the
have the back door
king bed.
to the other. We have the back door to the porch.
Now the master bedroom overlooks both the Aberdare range. this direction. And also,
Mount Kenya.
Mount Kenya. This is the veranda. So you have the view of Mount Kenya in the morning. Right now the summit is covered in clouds. But you can see it's a very beautiful view.
I'd go out.
And this way for
And
that.
the dog is making
The
herself
biggest
at home.
bathroom of them all.
This is the master bath. They have travertine in here, it looks like. There's a nice shower. I gotta say the water pressure here is amazing. Here at our place.
There's a tub.
This is an old-fashioned tub.
And you can see beautiful this place.
It's nice, huh?
Wow, the beauty of this place is awesome.
Hey, let's go out the veranda. Yeah?
Yeah, this
Open the door. There we go.
This is up by the veranda.
This is the veranda. Now we're back outside. Mount Kenya.
Back.
Mommy doing some exercises. Facing Mount Kenya. Ol Bobongi House is located just outside of Nanyuki town, about a 3-hour drive north of Nairobi, just 11 kilometers from the equator. It sits at the base of Mount Kenya and is at the doorstep of some of Kenya's finest game parks. Ol Pajeta Conservancy and Lewa Wildlife Conservancy are nearby, and our hosts Bravna and Steve are able to help with making arrangements. Ol Bobongi House is 8,000 square feet and can accommodate up to 10 people. This beautifully appointed home sits on 15 acres, so there's lots of space and privacy. 24-hour security service and an electric perimeter fence to keep out the wildlife. The chef and housekeeper are very attentive and the meals were fantastic. It's a perfect destination for a family-friendly getaway. For booking information, please visit olbobongi.com or check out their contact information and links to their website in the description below. Thanks for watching.